Okay, 18D. Y is less than x squared minus 6x. Once again, I'm going to focus my attention here on using the x-intercepts to get myself a bit of an idea what the grid looks like. So I'm looking for where x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. I notice it's got two terms to it with subtraction there, so I'm tempted to think it might be a difference of squares, but it's not. That second term isn't a perfect square. So the best I can do is pull out a common factor. So I pull out the x from the x squared and the minus 6x, and this tells me that either x is 0 or it's positive 6. So on the grid, roughly speaking, because I'm not asking for something exact here, what we're looking for here is just, do you recognize what that inequality is doing? So I've got a parabola here that goes through 0 and 6, so it goes through the origin and 6. And I notice that the leading coefficient is positive 1. So this is a parabola that opens up. I look at the inequality and I notice that it doesn't have the or equal to. So this is a parabola that opens up and it's a dotted line. Okay, because we're not including that line there. And so now what I might do is just consider the y-axis again. And if I let x go to 0, because remember x can be any number, but if I let x go to 0, I'm going to get here that the inequality would be y is less than 0. Along the y-axis here, that number line, that means from 0 down. Okay, not including. So in that case, I'd be shading below this graph, so that means everywhere I shade below the graph. So this tells me what region I'm shading in. So it's going to be below the dotted line. It looks something like that. Now that looks, it looks terrible, but you get the idea of where I'm shading.